Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Han Xiaoya, and now I will present about my proposed research. And there are three parts I will present. And the first part is title, aims, and objectives. And the second part is questions. And the last part is research hypothesis. And now I will present about my first part. It's title, aims, and objectives. And the title of the proposed research is The Relationship Between Environmental Factors and Difficulties in Learning Arabic Among Non-Native Speaker Students at the University of Malaya. And now the aims of the proposed research is the purpose of this study is to explore the relationship between environmental factors and difficulties in learning Arabic among non-native speaker students at the University of Malaya. And explore it means discover, explain, and so on. Okay, and now I will present the objectives of the research. There are three objectives of the research, and the first objective is to describe the difficulties non-native students face in learning Arabic at the University of Malaya. And the second objective is to describe the impact of environmental factors on non-native students in learning Arabic at the University of Malaya. And impact, it means influence. Okay, and the last objective is to discover the relationship between environmental factors and difficulties in learning Arabic for non-native students at the University of Malaya. Okay, let's start second part. Second part is the questions of the research. There are also three questions, and the first one is, what difficulties do non-native students at the University of Malaya face in learning Arabic? And difficulties, maybe it's in speaking, listening, reading, writing, and so on. Okay, and the second question is, do environmental factors influence non-native students' learning of Arabic at the University of Malaya? And influence, it means impact. Okay, and then last question. Last question is there a relationship between environmental factors and difficulties in learning Arabic for non-native students at the University of Malaya? Okay, that's questions are okay now. Let's start last part. It is research hypothesis. To answer the questions, following hypotheses were developed. And to answer the first research question, there are two hypotheses. And the first one is, most of the difficulties that non-native students at the University of Malaya face in learning Arabic are difficulties in speaking and listening. Okay, and so another one is, most of the difficulties that non-native students at the University of Malaya face in learning Arabic are difficulties in vocabulary and writing. Okay, and then to answer the second research question, there are also two hypotheses. And the first hypothesis is, environmental factors have an impact on the learning of Arabic among non-native students at the University of Malaya. It means have impact, have influence. Environmental factors have influence on the learning of Arabic. And the second hypothesis is, environmental factors have no impact on non-native students in learning Arabic at the University of Malaya. No impact, it means no influence. Environmental factors, no influence on non-native students in learning Arabic. Okay, and to answer the third research question, there are also two hypotheses. And the first one is, there is a relationship between environmental factors and difficulties in learning Arabic for non-native students at the University of Malaya. And another hypothesis is, there is no relationship between environmental factors and difficulties in learning Arabic for non-native students at the University of Malaya. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.